Okay, I started. And it was.
Plaza.
Let's get our cab view for real. Last time I came here it was incredibly packed.
It's in Montgomery. Take it down to the bottom.
Oh. Hit 3.
Those aren't innovation at all. Coming up? What floor?
3.
Okie dokie. Have a good one.
Go back down. So switch sides.
Yeah. I just wanted to get it closed.
It's that side.
There's blank.
I think we should get off at 1 so we can get the escalators, because today doesn't seem crowded at this Macy's.
Okay.
When I came last time, the escalators were incredibly packed.
I'm just gonna do a quick button check out here.
Okay.
Modded. Very interesting though.
Okay, let's get off at 1.
Yep.
Well, I got a much better video of this elevator this time. Someone's pool. Who was that?
Some car driving by.
Right, yeah. Let's get off.